Sabi ni
Ganda ng
Claire
storya.
Castro, wala naman daw sinabi na presidente sa statement si Martin Romualdez.
Ay, baka naman mahina ang kanyang comprehension. Siyempre, Castro will just defend Bongbong Marcos eh. You know, that's her job. Yung obvious ba? It's the executive.
Oo,
Mm.
executive ang kanyang sinabi.
But, and I said this in one of my shows, do not forget, Martin, that this is a conspiracy. So it is not correct when you say that all this corruption happened during the executive portion of the budget. This corruption, and I'm saying this, began even before you wrote the budget. They were already selling, brokering, trading projects. And the DPWH, these crooks in the DPWH station all hang. They put that in the NEP. Nandyan na yung 30% ng mga kickback. Nandyan na yan even before it reached the office of the president and it became the NEP in the House of Representatives. You cannot say you did not know. Napakatanga mo namang speaker na hindi mo alam that the conspiracy began when you approved that budget na pinasa mo yan, pinirmahan mo yan, gaganong-ganon ka pa doon sa budget, o picture ka pa dyan, smile ka dyan, yay, gaganong-ganon pa siya. O sinasabi mo ngayon na hindi mo pala alam. And the act of one is the act of all. And the first one should be Martin Romualdez. But who's the second one? Di ba si BBM? Pwede bang magka-budget na hindi niya pinirmahan dahil nandun yung 100 billion niya na insertion? But Saldico said, nag-deliver siya ng 25 billion kickback kay BBM.
Pinangalanan ni Martin Romualdez, Chis Escudero, Zaldico,
Why
a
not
small
Grace Poe?
committee.
Bakit hindi si Grace Poe?
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam. That's why I'm asking. Bakit wala ang Finance Committee chair ng Senate? Si Grace Poe na may mga insertions din. Na tumakbo din ng party list yung anak niya. Diba? I mean, ano ba to? Selective ba itong ano na to? Justice na ito?